Thanks for checking into WeatherBug here on this Tuesday. Todd Nelson with a look at your national coast-to-coast forecast. Our dangerous cold continues, but for the second half of the work week, a quick warming trend. So we'll be seeing this colder air retreat back to Canada, but with that warmer air comes some moisture and some rain potential. There's that Arctic front now well out into the Atlantic Ocean, still kicking up some rain showers as you get down into southern Florida, the Bahamas, even down to Cuba, but a very chilly air mass post-front. In fact, readings down 15 to almost 30 degrees colder this morning than they were this time yesterday. And then now seeing some warming conditions along the front range of the Rockies. Billings this morning was close to 20 or 30 degrees warmer than this time yesterday. Look at the lows this morning, down to 11 below in Chicago, 7 in Atlanta, even down in central and southern Florida. Pretty chilly compared to what we typically see at this time of the year. Lows this morning in International Falls down to 26 below. Wind chill value there of 40 below this morning, and it was in the 30s below zero from Chicago to Detroit to Cleveland and Indiana for the wind chill value, and that's why we had a number of those wind chill warnings and advisories. Atlanta closing school today due to the extreme cold. Wind chill value earlier this morning there at 8 below. And notice all the wind chill concerns. These will be alleviated for the most part by midday today, but within this colder air mass and all that fresh snow, it's blowing around, and some blowing and drifting snow downwind of these Great Lakes could create some near zero visibility, but upwards of 2 to 5, maybe even 6 feet of snow in some areas downwind of Lake Ontario and Erie. Enough snow to where they have to take breaks to get rid of that stuff. So how about that? Our futurecast then showing a little storm system developing into the middle and end of this upcoming week in the central part of the country, and this is going to help to bring in some additional precipitation. And over the next 5 days, we could be talking about some pretty decent amounts.